What's up, YouTube?
Hey guys!
Alex, what are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about user experience design. If you're here, you're probably wondering, what the heck is a UX? It's what Vitor and I are very passionate about, and we're excited to talk to you about it today.
Let's dive right in.
What if we told you that your everyday experiences are all intentionally designed to trigger both conscious and subconscious responses that make you feel more curious, more distracted, or even hungrier? Have you noticed that when you walk through the magical doors of any Starbucks, you're greeted with the smell of freshly brewed hot coffee, mixed in with the sound of coffeehouse music and the low tapping of keyboards? This atmosphere is standardized across Starbucks globally, and it's done on purpose to lure you in and keep you coming back for your daily caffeine fix. How about when a web page is loading and you see the buffering sign? How do you feel? A bit more at ease? We bet it makes you think that the website is loading a little faster. But does that mean that it actually is? Not really. Buffering signs and loading bars are a simple way of distracting your mind from the fact that the website is loading at all. These are perfect examples of intentionally designed user experiences.
UX is a human-first way of designing products for the end user. Grounded in cognitive psychology and product design, UX stands for user experience design. It's a term coined by cognitive scientist and co-founder of the Nielsen Norman Group, Don Norman. While today the growth of UX has coincided with the boom of digital apps, Don Norman reminds us that UX is independent of a medium, meaning that designing user experiences is not limited to websites or mobile apps. It covers all interactions between a user and a company, from launching new products to building business strategies around user needs and goals. And the principles behind UX research and design mean that it could be applied to anything that a person can experience. Be it a cool new fitness app for your phone, the line leading up to your favorite roller coaster, or a website to book your future trip to Cabo.
So who is the end user? Normally, we think of the end user as the company's customer, but the end user can be the people inside the company as well. So this means that UX is the bridge that connects companies with the people that they hope to serve. But what does this actually mean? Through the lens of design thinking, UX finds solutions by questioning the assumptions that we have about human behavior, researching and uncovering user problems through real conversations with real people, and then coming up with creative and sometimes fun ideas to test on users to determine if our initial assumptions hold true. If so, awesome. Let's do it again and see if we can make our solutions even better. If not, it's back to the drawing board for some more research and creative brainstorming. This sounds awesome, Alex. But what if I didn't go to design school or a boot camp?
Don't worry. Lucky for you, there's no real educational track for UX. People come from business anthropology to cognitive psychology to even journalism. Because UX and design thinking is a framework for solving user problems, individuals with a diverse skill set have an advantage when designing everyday user experiences because they have more tools in their toolbox.
So, regardless of your background, don't feel discouraged about going out there and exploring a new career path if you feel passionate about it. As always, thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now go out there and solve some people puzzles.